$100,000. In this tournament, she hit 52 of the 72 greens in regulation. Does this performance give convincing evidence that her ability increased? Use the dot plot of 100 trials of the simulation of the U.S. Women's Open to support your answer. All right.
I was down in the gym, so I was kind of feeling
What?
You know the nurse coming today?
A nurse?
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea.
And this is the last one, how we do? Or is it the other one? I want the other one, is it right? I still got it wrong.
So you should be finishing off the one.
Okay.
Alright. So the other dot plot up here that has the 100 trials of the simulation of the U.S. Women's Open. Alright, so first off, you don't really need to know what hits the green in regulation means to really answer this question. But what that does mean in terms of golf is that means that you guys know what the green is in golf?
Yeah.
The green is the place where like the flag is. Like the really short grass that you do it while you're putting. Alright. And you have like the roughness, the long grass, and then you have like, you have the fairway, which is where you're trying to take the long green, you guys have it down to the hole. Alright, but you all really know that. So what it's saying is that this Walford UVG has the ability to hit the greens in regulation 67.4% of the time. And in this tournament that she participated in, she hit the green in regulation 52 out of 72 times. Okay? And the question is, does this performance give convincing evidence that her ability increased for this tournament? Did her ability increase from 67.4% in this tournament? Okay. And Martha says the answer is no. All right. Jason says yes. The answer is actually no. Now we have to look at how to explain this and why. Okay. Well, Jason says the answer. Jason, why don't you say the answer is no? Why is it no?
Okay. She did. It says she did 50 times, but I counted for she did 50 times. Or she hit over 50 times. Yeah.
So she hit. You're saying she hit 52. She hit the fairway in these simulations 52 times. 52 times. She got that 4 times, and then she also hit the fairway in regulation, or the greens in regulation 4 more times for 53, a bunch of times for 54, 55, 56, 57.
That's what I was saying, that she didn't get over 57.
Okay, good. So she didn't hit over 57. She didn't hit over 57 greens in regulation. Now, real quickly, while we go over this, you want to make sure that you have the correct answer down. And if you don't understand, you want to make sure that you sort of write down the explanation. So I am going to go over this. I said no. So, and I like what Jay Sean said there, is that she didn't get over 57 greens in regulation. All right. So what we know about a dot plot is that if you look at the dot plot, you find the highest number. All right. So in this case, the highest number of times that she hit the green in regulation in this tournament would have been 57. All right. The lowest number would be what? 40. Okay, that's the lowest number of times that she hit the green in regulation. Now, so what we're doing is we're looking at her performance. Her performance was 52 times. It is right here. It's just they go by they count by 2. 4, 6. There's going to be 58. This idea is 55, 57. Right? So what we know here is this. We know that if she hits the green in regulation more than 57 times, what happens to her ability? So her ability goes up if her performance was higher than 57. Okay? If her ability was lower than 40, what happens to her ability? Or if her performance is lower than 40, what can we say about her ability? It decreases. All right? So if she got less than 40, your answer would be this performance provides convincing evidence that her ability decreased. Right? Now in the middle, which she got 52, 52 occurs between 40 and it occurs between 57, right? Right here, so 52. All right. If the performance happens between the lowest and the highest, what that tells us is that her ability, or this athlete or team's ability, has not changed. Okay? What it tells us is that their performance happened due to random chance. Not be right, yours is correct. You can put that on the side. So, and I showed this to a lot of people writing the papers, is how could you explain what happens? Well, you can say, okay, I know that due to random chance, the lowest number of greens that she did is 40. If her performance was lower than 40, then that would mean that her ability decreased. I know that the highest number of greens that she hit in regulation was 57. All right? I know that if her ability, or if her performance was higher than 57, that would mean that her ability increased. However, her performance is 52, which is between 40 and 57. Therefore, I can say that her ability has not changed, and that her performance happened due to random chance. Okay? Questions about that? What you'll notice is that if I say periodically through this next unit, you'll have warm-ups that deal with stuff in the previous unit, just to sort of keep it fresh. Okay, so again, you need to make sure that you have the correct answer. Okay, so
How you heard really
I know that this isn't her ability. This is saying if this is just I'm saying her lowest number of reading in regulation is 40. Therefore, if her performance, like in this tournament, let's say she had gotten, let's say 38. All right. If her performance is less than 40, which is 38 would be, then that would mean that her ability went down. You could say there's convincing evidence that her ability went down. Yeah, I think we didn't get through this in a short period, so get it done as quickly as you can, okay? Nope. Done? Ready?
Okay.
Alright, so I need you guys to focus up here now. So I want to talk about what's going to be different in this unit compared to the past unit. So what are we just going to do? What's going to be different? Now you don't need to write this down. Previously, so in the first chapter that we just got done with, what we looked at is we looked at data from two different instances. Meaning, we looked at regular season versus postseason. We looked at first half of the season versus second half of the season. Alright? It's two different time periods. Okay, we looked at career postseason versus career regular season. Something like that. Alright? So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking at data for the same time frame. Alright? Meaning, we're going to look at, we could look at the regular season and look at home wins versus away wins, right? Or home losses versus away losses. Does a team have a higher ability on the road or at home, right? You can also look at an example from baseball and be, does a batter, you want to play baseball here?
Yeah.
Right, so does Marquez bat better against left-handed pitchers or right-handed pitchers? Alright, so with that right there, what we're doing is we're looking at the same time period, okay, season, and we're sort of breaking down that same time period into two specific categories. So one bat better against lefties or righties. Alright, so, yeah.
What's this for? 200 tables?
We're gonna work with you. Say it one time, it's very similar. It's just that we're gonna talk about something different and we're gonna look at how to analyze this a little bit different. Segment bar graphs, some, I mean, it's not gonna be too hard, I mean, think about it, so, what we're gonna be talking about this chapter, and if you don't know these mean, that's fine, because you know what, you're not gonna, you don't even learn about one of these things. Today we're gonna talk about two-way tables, alright? And the see what those are, it's not hard at all. You're gonna learn about how to state hypotheses, that's gonna be on the side of these guys. You're gonna learn about p-values, okay? Don't worry about those others, you don't need to know those others. And you're gonna talk about how to draw conclusions using two-way tables, hypotheses, and p-values. Okay? So you're gonna be able to draw conclusions, similar to what we did. Is the ability greater than, is the Colts' ability to win at home greater than their ability to win away? To be able to answer that question, and you have to have the same mathematical reason to answer that. So here's my first thing. You guys remember how we kind of concentrated on the question, did LeBron James choke in the playoffs during 2008? That feels like our sort of driving topic or driving question. All right? And in this case, what we're going to be looking at is the driving question would be, is there a home field advantage in that game? Now, I say NFL, that's the books. It could be NBA, NCAA, football, baseball, just replace NFL with whatever sport that you more that you start talking. All right. So, first of all right, Marco, what does home field advantage mean?
What to me, like, it's easier to win at your home place when you have to play.
So, okay, so, what does home field advantage mean? Easier, hold on, easier to win at home. Okay, so, why? Why would it be easier to win at home? Okay,
Right, the chance of your crowd, not
where you practice?
or the crowd, like, you will have like more fans coming like different teams. Our game, every game is one.
All right. Anything else that home field advantage means to you guys?
Oh, the referee, no, that's not.
So the idea of home field advantage is you're playing at home. Like number one, you haven't had to travel anywhere. Okay, you don't have to get on the bus or ride a bus somewhere and stay and seated the entire time. You don't have to be tired from traveling. You're at home. You get stuck in your house and you get to go play. All right. Because when you practice, you might know the court better. You might know the field better. Crowds and fans, if you think about basketball, they shoot free throws. Crowd's not making a lot of noise when the home team is shooting free throws. They're making a lot of noise when the away team is shooting free throws. Same thing with football. If you've ever seen Ohio State, it's probably a lot harder for teams that play in Ohio Stadium to convert third downs at Ohio Stadium than it is at their home stadium. Because Ohio State, you're out. There's 110,000 people yelling at you. So, I think we're kind of, we understand our home field advantage thing. It means the conditions make it makes it seem more likely for you to win at home, be successful at home. Alright, so, two-way table, you want to write this down. The two-way table displays the distribution of a categorical variable. For example, outcome of a game in at least two different contexts. Alright, New rate table displays the distribution of a categorical variable in at least two different contexts. So for instance, win, so home games versus road games. Alright? We're looking at wins and losses, a categorical variable. Our categorical variable would be winning percentage. Alright? Here's an example. Winning percentage. That would be our categorical variable. Alright, and then that breaks down into wins and losses. And these two break down into Alright. So you're breaking your categorical variable down into even smaller and more precise categories. Okay. Let's see an example of what a two-way table looks like. Get it?
Wait. Okay, I'm done.
So, you do not need to write this down. But what you may want to write down is this. But don't need to write it down yet, because I'll put it over here. Okay? So, in 2008, the Arizona Cardinals cruised to the NFC West division title. Alright? And then they beat three favored teams in a row to reach the Super Bowl. Alright? And that losing to the Pittsburgh Steelers in what was one of the better Super Bowl games in recent history. Okay? During the regular season, the Arizona Cardinals won 6 games at home and lost 2 on the road. Alright? They won, my fault, backtrack. During the regular season, the Cardinals won 6 games at home and they lost 2 games at home. Okay? So actually, write this down. I want you guys to write down that highlight. Cardinals won 6 games at home and lost 2. On the road, they won 3 games and lost 5. Alright? What a two-way table is, a two-way table allows us to quickly summarize this data for ourselves and have it nicely organized so we can read and make conclusions about stuff. Alright? So, yes, they won 6 games at home, lost 2. On the road, they won 3 games and lost 5. Okay. Now, what you will see about the table that we have is that we have our we have our wins and losses on the rows, the total row. We have a home column, a road column, and a total column. Alright? And what we do is we put 6 wins, 2 losses, add those up, that's a total of 8 home games. 3 wins, 5 losses, that's a total of 8 road games. They had a total of 9 wins, they had a total of 7 losses, and they played a total of 16 games. Alright? The pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna put it a little bigger. Alright? So, I do want you to take it, you're gonna label some stuff on the table. Okay? Huh? Good. Now, first off, what we have here is, on this table, we have our categorical variables, but they're broken down even further into some different variables. First off, what we have is, explanatory variables. Alright? Think of what type of wind it was. Alright? What type of wind was it? Was it a home wind or was it a road wind? That would go up top. Alright? If you did batting average, and you want to look at right-handed pitcher, left-handed pitcher, what type of, so he either hit the ball or got out, your explanatory variable would be right-handed pitcher, left-handed pitcher, because you're explaining what type of pitcher he was facing when he was at bat. Right? Second, you know what our response variable. The more general, it's the more general description. Alright? To be win or lose. Okay? So you first ask yourself, what's my categorical variable? It's winning percentage. Okay? The response what response do people have there? You either won or you lost. Either won or you lost. That's your response variable. That's the response. What is the output of the game? Your response is going to be, I won, or I lost. Right? Top is your explanatory variable. You explain what type of win or loss it was. Was it a home win or was it a road win? Was it a home loss or was it a road loss? Okay? I mean, for the most part, that's how you're going to make two-way tables. Right? So, questions on that so far? This is what I mean. But if you get a chance, can you look at Jason's table or Jason's table about what it's supposed to be? So here's what you guys are going to do. Alright? On the back of your daily sheet right now, there are 6 products. Your table is, so you guys are in charge of getting problems 1 and 2 done, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. What you're going to do, after you get it done, you need to call me over to check the work as a table. As a table, you get a marker. You're going to put your 2 answers down on the table, and then after the 6 minutes, we don't know how much time it should take. You guys will then walk around, and you will get the answers from the other ones, and write them down on your paper. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. All right. You guys are working together individually. Huh? You make a two-way table, just like what we did up here. That's all you're doing. Table up there. Huh? If you're done, go ahead and start taking your marker at the table. And each of you write down one of your answers. All right. The table is made. Write it down on the table. Or just leave it on the table. You're writing your table on the table. What? Yeah, all your tables on the table. That one I didn't get.
got stains on me, dude.
Look, it says washable marker, huh? Well, make it a little bit bigger. The people are,
Oh, okay.
once you get done here, they stand up and walk around, write down the answer to the problem and take it.
I need to work that.
If you're done, you can get up and start walking around, make sure you get the answers to the other problems. Make sure you number your problems.
Which one you want to do?
You only need to do no one, you do them, or you don't work.
Yeah, we didn't start.
You got them, one, two, done. You know, maybe that one, paper.
Well,
Alright, whatever you want to do.
Just, that's why I, this is maybe another thing. Making it look good.